Juices that unclog arteries naturally and prevent heart attack. Do you know? We usually do not think about our heart until a problem occurs. Actually, most of us take this incredible organ for granted until it signals a problem, such as heart palpitations, angina, or a heart attack. According to the American Heart Association, heart disease is responsible for 1 in every 4 deaths in the United States. Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel. Yes, raw juicing offers a great opportunity for those trying to improve heart health. In that case, you have to be mindful of which juices you drink if you're trying to be better to your body. If you're confused about where to even start with that, don't worry, we've got it covered. Yes, they help prevent the hardening of arteries, lower cholesterol, decrease blood pressure, and prevent heart attacks. In this video, we're going to show 4 easy juices that you can make in your home and incorporate into your daily life and save your heart. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end. Number 4. Orange juice. When it comes to juices that are good for you, you have to start with orange juice. Because the crazy thing is, it's not just good for your heart for one reason. There are lots of different nutrients and compounds that help your heart overall. The first thing is that it's full of vitamin C, which helps boost the overall immunity in your body. According to a study published in the 2013 issue of Advancements in Nutrition, the study proved that it can also protect you against heart disease. That's because of the amount of potassium in orange juice. Orange juice is also very high in antioxidants. Researchers from Sao Paulo State University conducted an 8-week-long study where they found that drinking a 750-milliliter glass of orange juice every single day can help increase the overall antioxidant count in your body significantly. But the benefits don't stop there. A study from the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences in Brazil showed that regular consumption of orange juice leads to a decrease in cholesterol and even bad cholesterol. As it does that, it even increases good cholesterol and protects heart health. And finally, orange juice is also anti-inflammatory. Researchers at the Center Isfahan Cardiovascular Research Institute in Iran conducted a 22-week-long study. It showed that people that drank orange juice, whether it was store-bought, obviously a good one, or homemade, ended up reducing inflammation markers in their bodies, which is pretty great if you want to protect your arteries and heart. Making orange juice is very easy. All you need is an orange, and a juicer, and juice. That's literally it. This is one of the easiest juices you can incorporate into your daily life. And with all the benefits we've been over, this is something you should definitely consider adding to your diet. Number 3. Potato juice. When you think of potatoes, surely potato juice isn't the first thing that pops up in your head. It's probably French fries, isn't it? Well, as good as they feel like they should be for the heart, they're actually pretty darn terrible. But that doesn't mean that potatoes themselves are bad for you. It's just the way you use them. Now, obviously, frying potatoes isn't where we're going. We're talking about potato juice. Potatoes are one of the best things nature has given us. They're high in nutrients like calcium and zinc, which helps bone health, and the tones of fiber help aid digestion. However, fiber isn't just considered beneficial because it helps digestion. It's also because as the body digests the food quickly, it also gets rid of a lot of cholesterol, and that's something we do not want a lot of in our bodies. Just when you think we've been over everything that potatoes have to offer, they surprise you with a few extra tricks you might not know about. Potatoes are high in choline, which is a nutrient that is a great anti-inflammatory. It helps everything, from bones to the heart. They're also packed with potassium, which can prove to be very important to keep blood pressure down. Potassium present in potato juice can help clear the blocked arteries and increase the blood flow to the heart, which helps prevent heart disease and vascular calcification in the arteries. You can make potato juice by grating potatoes and squeezing the juice out using a cheesecloth, or by cutting one into lots of little cubes and blending it. The blended option becomes a bit of a smoothie, but that's still better than not having it at all. Although the taste may not be the best, it's still worth it when you think of the benefits. Number 2. Tomato juice. Almost everyone knows that whether you say tomato or tomato, they're a fruit that's really good for you. That's also why it's so widely used all around the world. But have you ever thought about what it really does for your heart, like on the inside? Tomato juice is full of proteins and fiber, along with vitamins A, C, and K. Like we've talked about earlier, potassium and magnesium are two of the most important nutrients for the heart. According to a 2017 study by the University of Alberta, magnesium alone can help strengthen the heart a lot. That in 2013, the World Health Organization Collaborating Center for Nutrition found that regular intake of tomato juice could reduce the chances of stroke by 24%. And for double that number, the blood pressure regulates so much that they basically never have to worry about poor heart health ever again. There are a few different ways for making tomato juice, but the easiest may be to just squeeze it through some cheesecloth or blend it. But how you consume the tomato is on you. All you have to do is have it every day. Number 1. Bitter gourd juice. And finally, we have the juice that's arguably the hardest to drink: bitter gourd juice. This one literally has the word bitter in its name, so it's not going to be a very refreshing drink, at least when it comes to taste. But the worse it is to drink this one, the better it is for your body. Bitter gourds are great for controlling blood sugar levels. A 3-month study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that those that consumed 2,000 milligrams of this fruit every day were found to have lower blood sugar and keep it that way for a short period of time. Finally, this juice has also proved to clean arteries. A 2013 study by the Institute for Quality and Efficiency in Healthcare showed that bitter gourd juice may also clean the arteries, helping the blood flow easier and decreases the chance for heart diseases. This juice can easily be made by blending it in the blender with 1 cup of water. Once you notice that no chunks remain, you can go ahead and drink it. If you want it to be a little more flavorful, you can add salt, pepper, and some lemon into it to really make it worth burning your taste buds off to drink. Your heart will definitely thank you for it. And on that note, we wrap up today's video. Which one of these juices will you be incorporating into your diet? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.